We're proud to share that Draganfly was selected and successfully engaged in the Global Drone Innovation and Defense Coalition Summit. It was held this summer in Riga, Latvia, and co-hosted by the Latvian and UK Ministries of Defense. This exclusive invite-only event brought together over 1,500 participants from 28 countries for leaders within the government and defense of the drone coalition. The summit marked a major milestone with the formal expansion of the drone coalition from 17 to 20 member states and announced over $4 billion in collective investment to advance the coalition's aligned drone capabilities. Draganfly was honored to be featured as a leading provider from a member state for tactical drone systems, showcasing multiple platforms from our interoperable family, including the Commander 3XL, the Apex, and of course our modular Flex FPV system. As the only company demonstrating a fully modular and interchangeable FPV platform, and the only provider offering multiple field-validated tactical systems, our presence stood out as a testament to our innovation, capabilities, and operational readiness. As part of the summit, our team was also engaged with academic and research leaders to accelerate efforts in military drone development and demining technologies, reinforcing our long-standing position in the industry, as well as our support for Ukraine, evidenced by our commitment to field-driven innovation shaped by real-world feedback. We are grateful to be called upon in this manner, helping shape the future of the 20-nation drone coalition's deployment strategies, and we're honored to now have been invited back in August of 2025 for the upcoming security conference. At Draganfly, we're committed to the drone coalition's mission and providing drone capabilities that save time, money, and lives.